So this course, I really wanted to do something fun with the homework, and so I came up with the idea, or more appropriately stole the idea from XNA 101, to do a text-based RPG as the homework. So we're going to be building pieces of the text-based RPG throughout the weeks of this course. So I want to point out that we are going to be building components of the system, but I want to stress the fact that just because we complete a particular component of the system doesn't mean it can't change. I really want people to be free to implement the system in the way that they feel comfortable with, because, I mean, really that's the best way to learn. I'm not going to be enforcing a lot of architectural constraints on the system that people come up with. I really want people to actually dive in and think about it themselves, although there will be a lot of guidance along the way.
And this is something that happens in the real world all the time.
Yeah.
You know, the clients are never happy. They will always come back and say, oh, actually, can you do this again, but twice the size in purple and display it in Chinese?
Yeah. And so we're going to be building this sort of piecemeal, but I really want to stress the fact that when working on the homework for week 1 or week 2 now, and the rest of the weeks, don't get locked up in, or don't worry about having to write the code only once. Code is a very mutable thing that changes a lot, especially during development, and especially during smaller projects such as this.